Here's the plan. Pry the bench from the wall, and I'm going to remove that piece of paneling, and that's going to clean up this corner. That's going to put this bench right here, close proximity to the wood stove. Nice sun glare, huh? Close to the tool bench, and of course the motorcycle lift and all. Trying to get that finished in the next couple of days, so we can get things rolling along here. It's coming along, and I'm still waiting for the kids. I'm gonna have to go see what they're doing. Time to go to work. It's 5:30 p.m. on Saturday. Yesterday it was 14 hours in the shop, moving things around, rearranging. There's more space and it looks better and will be more functional. So it was a very productive day. My boys helped out a lot. And today we've spent the whole day moving wood. There's snow coming again, so we have a little break here before the next storm on Monday, which is supposed to bring 5 to 8 inches of snow. Good for us, but I need to move some of that wood that's been, you've seen stacked outside, inside the shop. So as I'm running the shop stove, it will dry that wood, because I'm going to need that wood in the house. We'll use that this year. I haven't even looked at the internet since my last video on Thursday. So I'm going to have something to eat and have a little bit of a rest, and then I'm going to look and see what's been going on with the videos since the last one was posted. I know I was going to post more frequently. I ended up marathoning through the shop and trying to get things done. I still have a whole day's worth of work, but tomorrow is going to be some of that, and a run to the grocery store and getting all prepared before storm on Monday. Or we're not getting groceries tomorrow, we're going next week. I don't know. Didn't have time yet. So I'm going to have something to eat and take a look at the World Wide Web. We'll be back soon. Thank you.
Really neat. It's like a
Fossil.
Yeah.
That's pretty cool. Comparison size here. It's tiny.
Want my toes?
No, I got it.
My toes on the snow.